It has been 2 years since I've travelled. The stress was building up. Enough money in the bank. My friend reached out with an invitation and we couldn't say no. Come on this journey with us. You won't regret it. I'm certain we definitely won't. See you later, guys. Enjoy your stay. Thanks a lot, boss.
That will be your return voucher, so on the 13th.
Yep.
Pickup time will be between 8:50 and 5:00.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. Yes, bro. So
My phone, man, I've been having the worst luck with it this morning.
Is this the one?
Yep. And a black one. Yes, that one. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
How long have you been?
What, here? Like half an hour, man, because I have no time to drive.
Touchdown Madeira. You already know. Gonna settle in the hotel and then it's our bike channel, so time to get the bikes out. Look at the view. Cheers. Alright, we've got the bikes out. We're gonna hit up some spots, jump in the pool as well. But we're gonna go to this viewpoint now and travel around the island and see what we can find. So catch you there.
I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye. That's right. That's right. That's right. I wanna be yours. Wanna be Tell the bodies to pull up. There's a party we can go all night. I will show you how to run the red light. If you wanna, you can call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in your arms tight. Damn, it feels right. So I want a nice surprise. You're all I ever had in mind.
We're here at one of the highest cliffs in Madeira and in the world. It's 589 meters high. There it is. But now we're jumping back on our bikes and we're about to go to the highest point in Madeira, which is like this top of the mountain, and you can see everything. It's an hour-and-a-half ride from this spot. So see you when we get there. Those views were amazing. Just got back to the hotel. We're gonna relax for a bit, jump in the shower, get changed and go clubbing. And tomorrow is Saturday. It's gonna be our last full day here. And we got a few more bits to see, so we're gonna be getting busy. So in a bit.
afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little movie. It's our last day here today, last night actually. Just ate some food. Gonna go back to the hotel, get changed and hit up Dubai, the bar, see what happens, and then catching a flight early afternoon. So I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment. Shout out to Paolo and Rona Ruse for joining us on the journey and getting some of the 6 shots. You already know. Wow, peace. We're gonna end it like we always do. Stay safe, ride safe, in a bit.